This is battery or power supply. Okay, just two terminals, negative and positive, and we have two wires which are connected with the two graphite rods. Okay, one is connected with the positive terminal, which is anode. The other is connected with the negative terminal, which is cathode. Okay, and we have a electrolyte copper 2 sulfate. This is a copper 2 sulfate. Now, in this particular electrolysis, we will see that copper ions would get discharged, okay, from the solution at the cathode, okay, and pink solid would start depositing on the surface of the graphite electrode, okay, cathode. Okay, or bubbles of a gas were seen will be produced at anode. Okay, now look at this, bacho. After switching on, the reaction will start. The voltage set is about 6, and the reaction has started. Yes. ठीक है?
ये क्या हो रहा है?
क्या हो रहा है? अभी होगा.
अभी होगा.
एक मिनट. This is anode. ठीक है? Look at this. Anode पे bubbles of a gas are produced.
Yes.
Look at this. That is oxygen gas. Okay? एक मिनट. And this, आप देखिए मैं आपको निकाल के दिखा. Look at this बच्चों. ये देखिए ये पिंक हो गया. Now it has turned into pink due to the deposition of copper.
ये तो वो लग रही है.
And oxygen is gas. Oxygen gas is being liberated at this electrode.
That's right. ऑक्सीजन वाले कलर चेंज नहीं ना होगा. नहीं.
बबल्स बनेंगे, कलर चेंज होगा. वो बबल्स नहीं होगा.
अच्छा यहाँ पे कलर चेंजिंग हुई है. क्योंकि यहाँ पे कैथोड नेगेटिव होता है.
Copper 2 sulfate solution. Copper 2 sulfate solution contains copper 2 ion, sulfate ion, hydrogen ion, and hydroxide ion. Look at this, bachcho. So what is actually happening during this electrolysis, that these ions, copper and hydrogen ions, will move towards cathode. Okay, and sulfate and hydroxide ions move towards
anode.
Okay, so copper being lower in the reactivity series, they would get discharged. Okay, and pink copper will be deposited at the surface of cathode. Okay, so here we can see that copper ions are gaining electron, that is reduction, and copper ions are changing into copper metal. Okay, and what is happening as anode? Look at this. We have two types of ions, hydroxide ion and sulfate ion, but hydroxide ion has preference of discharging and more ease of discharging as compared to sulfate ion. So hydroxide ion would get discharged with the formation of water, and oxygen gas will be bubbled off or given out during this reaction, and we have seen it during this electrolysis. Okay,
sulfur के solution में रहेगा.
No, sulfur and hydrogen ions will remain in the solution, and finally we will see that this solution turns into acidic solution, and its pH will drop to 3 or 4. Solution of hydrogen and sulfate ion, this solution turns into sulfuric acid. Due to the discharging or removal of copper ions and hydroxide ions, it will have maximum number of hydrogen ions and sulfate ions. So due to the presence of hydrogen ion in its solution, finally it will turn into sulfuric acid solution. Okay, and it will be an acidic.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. So you can say that during this electrolysis, copper is the product at the cathode and oxygen gas is product at the anode. Okay. Is it clear? This is all about the electrolysis of copper 2 sulfate. ये देखें तेज हो गया. अगर हम इसको कंटिन्यूसली करते रहें for half an hour or an hour, तो we will see कि the color of the solution will change from blue to colorless. You know, कि copper is a transition metal. Its compounds and its solution of its compounds are colored.
Colored, yeah.
So you know, copper 2 compounds are mainly colored, blue colored. Its solution is also blue colored. Clear? Due to the removal of copper ions, this would change into a colorless solution. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay? And we have already done in the class that what happened with the mass of the cathode, that will increase due to the deposition of copper on its surface. Reaction has stopped. नहीं, किसी को भी निकालेंगे तो reaction stop हो जाएगा.
ये जो निकालेंगे तो ऐसे रहेगा फिर भी ना.
हाँ, जब तक क्या नहीं करेंगे, रिमूव नहीं करेंगे, फिर रब ऑफ नहीं करेंगे, ये ऐसे
निकाल के जब डालेंगे तो
सोल्यूशन का वॉल्यूम कम होगा.
जी,
सोल्यूशन का वॉल्यूम कम होगा.
सोल्यूशन का वॉल्यूम तो कम नहीं होगा, लेकिन उसकी कॉन्सेंट्रेशन में चेंज आएगी. कॉपर आयंस निकल जाएंगे, हाइड्रोजन की कॉन्सेंट्रेशन बढ़ेगी तो एसिडिक होता जाएगा. इज इट क्लियर? ठीक है. और ऑक्सीजन जो लिसन बच्चों, ऑक्सीजन जो है वो ड्यू टू द रिमूवल हाइड्रोक्साइड आयंस हो जाएगा. जिस सोल्यूशन के अंदर हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन है वो अल्कलाइन होता है, तो इसके अंदर हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन तो निकल रहे. ठीक है. तो अल्कीन के चांसेस तो बिल्कुल खत्म हो जाएंगे. हाइड्रोजन आयंस विल रिमेन इन इट, so it will change into an acidic solution. Is it clear?
Yes.
So that's all.